Hello friends, I welcome you all to online learning. This is the third video of the series of game-based aptitude questions for Capgemini exam. So if you have not seen the first two videos, check them out first. The link is given in the description. Today we are going to learn or we will see the types which are most asked in Capgemini exam. So if you follow this video, you can surely see these questions in your Capgemini exam on 18th. So let us move to the first question. In this type of question, what you have to do, in each row and in each column, only a unique shape will be present. So to solve this type of question, what you have to do, first first eliminate the shapes which cannot be your answer. So in this row, ellipse is already present, plus is already present, so eliminate them. Now if you carefully see, rectangle is present here, so rectangle cannot be present in this area, so rectangle must be present here. So your answer will be rectangle. Hope you have understood. Now let us move to the next question. In this question, we have to find which shape will be present in this area, question mark area. Now if you observe that in the same row, triangle is present and ellipse is present, so eliminate them. Now in the same column, rectangle is present, so eliminate rectangle also. So what is left? Only plus is left, so plus will be the answer here. It was an easy one, so let us move to the next question. Now in this in the question mark row, you can see rectangle is present and ellipse or circle is present, so eliminate them. And in the same column, ellipse or circle is present, so that is already eliminated. Now if you carefully observe, in this row, triangle is present, ellipse is present and rectangle is present. So what will be present here? Plus will be present here. So in this portion, plus cannot be there, so plus must be present here, so the answer is plus. If you don't understand at the first time, then you can pause the video and you can check again the solution, then you will understand it. So let us move to the next question. Now in this question, circle is present in the same column, so eliminate it. Plus is present in the same row, so also eliminate it. Now you can see in this row, rectangle, plus and circle is present, so what will be present in this area? Triangle will be present. So as triangle is present in the same column, so your answer cannot be triangle, so answer will be rectangle. Okay, it is easy. Now let us move to the next question. So it is a 5x5 matrix or box. Um, in the previous question, you have seen 4x4. So as you as more questions you do right, the harder will be your boxes or the number of 5x5 matrix. Then you will see 6x6 matrix. In the same way, it will go up. Okay, so the level will become difficult. Now this question is easy. So because circle is present, plus is present, rectangle is present, star is also present, so eliminate them first. Star cannot be your answer, plus cannot be your answer, circle cannot be your answer, rectangle cannot be answer. So what is left? Rectangle. So answer will be rectangle. So it is easy. Now let us move to the next question. This is of different type, so you have to first you have to use those numbers by making which this equation will satisfy, and your answer will become 20. Okay, so also you have to read the question carefully. It is given you have to use only unique digits. That is, if you write 4 into 4, that will be 16, plus 4 is equal to 20. The equation will become 20, but your answer will be wrong because you have to use unique digits. That is, one digit will be present only one time. So we can do this by 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 8 is equal to 20. If you find more unique answers, then please write them in the comment section. Now let us move to the next question. This type is also very important. You will be given two grids. You have to see which rule they follow. Then you have to find two grids that follow the same rule. If you carefully observe that plus sign is present in the first and third row. In the second figure also, plus sign is present in the first and last row. Now see in these four questions, in these four figures which are following the same rule. So plus is not present in the first row, so it will not be your answer. Plus is present in the first row, plus is present in the third row, so this will be your answer. In this figure also, plus is present in the first row, plus is present in the third row, so this will be answer. Now check this. Plus is present in the first row, but plus is not present in the last row, so your answer will be this and this. Okay, so this is easy. Now let us move to the next question. Again, we have to find the unique digits that satisfy this equation. So to satisfy this equation, we can do 3 into 8 plus 6, that is 24, plus 6 is equal to 30. Again, comment me if you find more answers, comment them in the comment section. I will check. Okay, let us move to the next question. Now, this type of question is also very common. Pick the one that does not fit the group. So if you observe that there is one figure which is shaded, one figure which is not shaded. Here also one figure is shaded, one figure is not shaded. But here, in all the figures, they are separate. But here, one figure is inscribed, or one figure is inside another figure. So this is the odd one out. This will be your answer. Let us move to the last question of today. In this question also, you have to pick the odd one out. If you see, this three figures is following a pattern, that is one vertical line, then a plus sign, then a cross sign. Here also one vertical line, one plus sign, one cross sign. But here if you see, one vertical line, one cross is present, but no plus sign. So your answer will be B. It is the odd figure. So that's all from today. I will come up with more videos. Hope you have liked the session, and if you like the session, please like it, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon, as I will come up with more questions before the exam. And please share it with your friends so that we can all succeed together. Bye. Have a great day ahead.